Hi, this is Mr. Sinclair. I'm going over how to use the homework book and how the assignments go for math in fifth grade this year with the Eureka 2. So, book went home. It'll go home every time we start a new module. Our first module is Module 1. And the book that goes home is Apply. It says Apply right here. That means it's the one that goes home. When I assign assignments for math, the first number will be 1. It will represent the module, the book that we're in, the unit that we're in. So 1 is always the first one. And then there'll be a dash, and the second one is the lesson the students are currently working on. When your student has the first one, if the assignment was 1-1, they'll open up the apply book, which is staying at home, and 1-1 has the first page, which you'll see has speech bubbles, and here's the lesson number right here, 1, and next to it you have speech bubbles. This is something that they're going to keep. It helps walk through the lesson so they can understand if they're still having complications with it. It's written step by step, nothing for them to do. It's just another teaching tool, and it goes over the first 2 to 3 pages. And then after that, they'll get a blank. And then you get the part that's actually the homework. And you'll see again the number 1, that's the 1-1, the second number. And then this pencil, that is the homework page. The first page reviews the concept we worked on in class. It's also covered in those first pages I showed you with the reteach. And then the second page behind it is called Remember. Sorry, remember, and then this is review from fourth grade. So that's how the homework works. Again, the first number is the module, the second is the lesson. The second number is really the critical one for homework. That page gets done every night it's assigned, ripped out, and brought back to school with their full name and number on it. Any questions, please feel free to email me directly.